Today is June 26th. We are at ISTE Lab 2024 in Denver, Colorado. We are Elephant Robotics. From here that you can see our products we bring. These are our Meta Dog, Meta Cat, and also we also bring the Meta Panda. These are the pets give our customers and our students give emotional comfort, and also for younger people that they are willing to have some animal that is very easy to care with. And also let me show you, when you get our Meta Cat, you can pat its head or pat its back. It can either move its head or shake its tail. And also we can communicate with our Meta Cat, like say, hello Meta Cat, I love you. Yeah, you see, its eyes has emotional expression. Let's move to this side that we, Elephant Robotics, we bring my arm, M and C to here, and also from the steps, this is on the top that you can see a Mercury B1 that is a two-arm robot. I will show you the other part that we bring. Let's move on to this section that we displayed some robots on this table. From here that you can see this is a Microbot 280 M5. From this interface that you can see the my broccoli, it can be used to control our Microbot. And also we have provided materials to the teachers and professors to use to teach their students. From here that we have Python, C# and many other platforms who can be taught. Here that you can see that is a 4-axis robot arm that can be used to joining, painting, and engraving. Here that you can see that is a mobile vehicle which is called my AGV, and on top it is mounted Microbot 280 Raspberry Pi. The whole combination can be used by teachers and our students to use in teaching scenario and also for competition purpose. This is our artificial intelligence kit, which is combined with the MacArm 270. It simulates how work can be done in the warehouse with its camera. Whenever we put the stuff on the center, it can solve 2 different things. With this kit, our users can learn how to develop a vision and how the vision recognition works, and also how students can control our robots. It shows how robots can be done in the warehouse. Thank you for checking out our booth at ISTE Lab 2024. If you have any other questions, please contact us, Elephant Robotics.